You're ruder than me and more arrogant than anybody. I'm more polite than you and more courteous too. I'm more respectful than you. You think you're smarter too. Sorry, you're not the best, and you're not as good as the rest. You think you're the most intelligent too. Well, I feel sorry for you. You're cleverer than a few. I'm glad I'm simpler than you. So you're the bravest too. Well, most are tougher than you. You're smaller than me. In fact, you're the weakest person really. So you're the most handsome too. You're not as lovely, it's true. I'm slimmer than you, and you're smellier too. So you're more social than me, and think you're bigger than everybody, which is the saddest end. You've got the least amount of friends. If you became more humble, it's true, you'd be happier too. Not as much as me. Being less selfish is not easy.